Your thyroid is a very important organ that's in charge of massive health functions in your body. There's a crucial nutrient your thyroid desperately needs, but most people don't even know about it. It's not iodine, but without it, your thyroid can't function properly, no matter how much iodine you consume. In fact, a deficiency in this overlooked nutrient could lead to serious thyroid dysfunction, weight gain, and fatigue. If you have any of these symptoms, your thyroid may be trying to tell you something, and today, we're uncovering exactly what that is, the best foods, how much to eat, and how to supplement. Welcome to Levitas. So, when it comes to thyroid health, iodine often gets all the attention. However, selenium is just as essential, if not more so, for a fully functioning thyroid. Selenium is a trace mineral, meaning your body only needs small amounts, but its role in thyroid function is enormous. One of selenium's key benefits for thyroid health is its involvement in the production of thyroid hormones. Specifically, it helps in the conversion of the less active hormone, T4, into the more active and usable form or T3. Without enough selenium, your body can't make this critical conversion, which can lead to symptoms of hypothyroidism, even if your iodine levels are sufficient. Additionally, selenium acts as a critical cofactor for enzymes that regulate thyroid function. These enzymes, known as selenoproteins, are responsible for thyroid protection. The thyroid gland is one of the most metabolically active organs in the body, meaning it produces a lot of waste. Selenium helps to protect the delicate thyroid tissue from this type of stress. So, how do you know if you're deficient in selenium? The signs of selenium deficiency can be subtle at first but often worsen over time. Common symptoms include muscle weakness, fatigue, and general feelings of low energy. This happens because selenium plays a vital role in thyroid hormone metabolism, and when these hormones are out of balance, your energy levels plummet. You might also notice frequent hair loss and brittle nails, as selenium is essential for maintaining healthy hair and nail tissue. Another sign is a weakened immune system. Selenium is important for producing antioxidants like glutathione, which help your immune system fight off infections and viruses. When selenium is low, your body struggles to mount an effective immune response, making you more susceptible to illness. Other signs of selenium deficiency include cognitive fog, poor memory, and even depression. This is because the thyroid plays a major role in brain function, and when it's underactive due to a selenium deficiency, your cognitive health can suffer. When your body is low on selenium, your thyroid suffers in multiple ways. First, and as mentioned earlier, selenium is necessary for converting T4 into T3, the active thyroid hormone. Without sufficient selenium, this conversion process slows down, leading to low levels of T3 and higher levels of T4. This imbalance results in symptoms of hypothyroidism, such as fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, and mood disturbances. Low selenium levels can also increase the risk of developing thyroiditis, an inflammation of the thyroid gland. This is because selenium deficiency leaves the thyroid vulnerable to damage from waste particles. Over time, this kind of damage can lead to the destruction of thyroid cells, reducing the gland's ability to produce hormones, and eventually causing long-term thyroid dysfunction. Additionally, selenium deficiency can impair the production of essential thyroid-related enzymes, further contributing to poor thyroid health. This creates a vicious cycle where the thyroid cannot regulate itself effectively, leading to a cascade of health problems throughout the body. What are the foods high in selenium and how much to eat? One of the best ways to ensure you're getting enough selenium is through your diet. Fortunately, many delicious and accessible foods are rich in this essential mineral. Brazil nuts are by far the richest source of selenium, with just 1 or 2 nuts a day providing more than the recommended daily intake. Be careful not to overconsume them, as they can lead to selenium toxicity if eaten in large amounts. Other excellent sources of selenium include seafood like tuna, sardines, and shrimp. Just 1 serving of tuna can provide up to 100 micrograms of selenium. Eggs are another good option, as they contain about 15 micrograms per large egg. Whole grains, such as organic oatmeal, also contain small amounts of selenium, along with vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, and broccoli. When it comes to meat, lean cuts of beef and chicken are rich in selenium. A 3-ounce serving of turkey breast, for instance, can provide up to 30 micrograms of selenium. Aim to incorporate a variety of these foods into your diet to maintain optimal selenium levels. The recommended daily intake for selenium is around 55 micrograms for adults, but it's always best to consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes. One of selenium's most important roles in the body is its ability to protect the thyroid from oxidative damage. The thyroid gland is particularly susceptible to oxidative stress due to its high metabolic rate, which produces free radicals as byproducts. Over time, these free radicals can damage thyroid cells, leading to inflammation, reduced hormone production, and even the development of autoimmune thyroid conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Selenium, however, acts as a powerful antioxidant within the thyroid. It's a crucial component of glutathione peroxidase, an enzyme that neutralizes harmful free radicals and protects the thyroid from oxidative stress. This protection is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of thyroid hormones and preventing long-term damage to the gland. By ensuring you have adequate selenium levels, you can safeguard your thyroid from oxidative damage, improve hormone production, and reduce the risk of developing thyroid-related diseases. This is particularly important for individuals with existing thyroid conditions, as selenium can help with autoimmune thyroiditis and improve overall thyroid function. While it's best to get your nutrients from whole foods, selenium supplements can be a useful option for those who struggle to meet their daily needs through diet alone. Selenium supplements come in various forms, with the most common being selenomethionine and selenite. Selenomethionine is generally considered the superior form, as it is more easily absorbed and utilized by the body. If you're considering selenium supplementation, it's important to stick to the recommended dosage. The minimum recommended daily intake for adults is 55 micrograms, but most supplements come in doses ranging from 100 to 200 micrograms. To avoid the risk of toxicity, it's advised not to exceed 400 micrograms per day. Always take selenium supplements with food to enhance absorption and minimize the risk of gastrointestinal upset. Like any nutrient, selenium can cause side effects if consumed in excessive amounts. The most common side effect of too much selenium is a condition called selenosis, which can result in hair loss, brittle nails, nausea, and fatigue. In severe cases, excessive selenium intake can lead to neurological issues and digestive disturbances. To avoid these side effects, it's important to stay within the dose and not to overconsume selenium-rich foods or supplements. For most people, a balanced diet will provide sufficient selenium, but if you're considering supplements, it's always best to consult with your trusted doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for your personal needs. In conclusion, selenium plays an essential role in maintaining optimal thyroid health, making it a crucial but often overlooked mineral. Beyond its well-known antioxidant properties, selenium helps convert the inactive thyroid hormone into its active form, ensuring proper thyroid function. Without adequate selenium, this conversion slows down, potentially leading to symptoms of hypothyroidism. Common signs of selenium deficiency include fatigue, muscle weakness, and hair loss, all of which highlight its importance for energy and overall well-being. To prevent selenium deficiency, incorporating selenium-rich foods like Brazil nuts, seafood, and organic oatmeal into your diet is key. This mineral also protects the thyroid from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis. For those unable to meet their needs through diet, selenium supplements like selenomethionine offer an effective solution, but it's vital to avoid excessive intake to prevent adverse effects such as selenosis. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.